Hi, short clip to show you how to set up a workshop. So I'm in the workshop homepage, settings, site admin, courses, add edit courses. And then when it comes up, here we have the course list, and right down the bottom is add a new course. So there it is. We can decide which category we want it into. There's a drop-down list there of all the categories we've got. So if I put it in miscellaneous, it came up in miscellaneous by default. I don't know why, but there it is, miscellaneous. Full course name, let's say test social. Let's do that. So I don't know what that means. And then a short one, TS. So we've got some kind of convention for this short name, where we do shorten it quite considerably using this underscore as well, and always a course summary, but we don't bother with the course ID number. I think that's for large institutions, but course summary, let's put test, I'll put something. Okay, HTML format, which is fine. The format here, what we normally do is we have a topics format. The SCORM, forget that. Social is just practically a blank workshop. This is nothing there. Topics format is the way that we order things, we construct things. The weekly puts in dates, and whereas that's quite useful, we don't really want it in a master version. So let's go for topics format. It defaults to 10, but normally our workshops are, say, 4 weeks long, 4 topics long, say, but it depends on the workshop. And the start date defaults to the day that you're actually constructing this. I think it's the 23rd. Oh, this starts tomorrow then. This starts on the 24th. Okay. Hidden sections are closed shown in collapsed form. That's fine. News items, that depends on whether you have a news item box block or not. Show the gradebook to the students, yes or no. Show activity reports, yes. Now this shows in the participant's profile, it will show an activity report. They can see what they've done, and so mentors will be able to go there and see what they've done as well. So that's useful. Maximum upload size, we usually leave it at 128, and then force the theme. We need to force it to TAL 2011. That's our new theme. So that's what we do for that. No guest access, no password, no groups, availability, it's available, don't force the language, completion tracking. Now, sometimes we want this, in the latest ones we want this, so completion tracking, let's have that on, and then that's it, save changes. And what that does then, it saves the course, it's created the course, and now we can enroll some users if we want to. We don't have to. So let's just go back to our course, the breadcrumb trail at the top, and see what it looks like. Okay, so there it is. It's completely empty. It's a shell. It's got the first part where we put the Il Cafe, bibliothèque, things like this, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then we can start to build our items from there. So that's it. That's pretty much it. What we've got down the left here are the blocks that come by default. In MYP ones, I tend not to use recent activity, or upcoming events, or latest news, or the search. But what we have are other blocks, so we'll need to put those blocks in. So let's get rid of those. And upcoming events. Okay, but then let's start to add people. Adding people. Another one I have is messages. So we add that. And then also navigation. So we've got that. This is the real navigation block, not the one that we created to put on top of the old navigation block. So this is the one. Okay, so that's pretty much the shell of it, and we're ready to go.